11 signs money is coming your way, navigating the waves of financial abundance. In the realm of personal development and manifestation, the notion that money is coming your way serves as a tantalizing promise of financial prosperity. The idea, often accompanied by a list of specific signs, has captured the imagination of those seeking abundance and financial well-being. In this commentary, we will explore the concept of these signs and critically examine whether they are reliable indicators of impending financial success or merely subjective interpretations of a broader philosophy. 1. Synchronicities and coincidences *. Advocates of the money is coming your way philosophy often highlight the significance of synchronicities and coincidences as signals of imminent financial abundance. The belief is that when one experiences a series of meaningful and seemingly unrelated events, it signifies a harmonious alignment with the universe. However, skeptics argue that attributing financial outcomes to serendipitous events may be a cognitive bias, as humans tend to seek patterns and meaning in random occurrences. 2. Increased positive energy *. Another sign proponents emphasize is a surge in positive energy and optimism. The idea suggests that a positive mindset attracts positive outcomes, including financial success. While maintaining a positive outlook is undoubtedly beneficial for overall well-being, critics argue that it is not a foolproof predictor of financial fortune. External factors such as economic conditions and systemic inequalities can significantly impact an individual's financial journey irrespective of their mindset. 3. Enhanced intuition *. Intuition, often described as a gut feeling or inner knowing, is considered a valuable guide in the pursuit of financial success. Advocates assert that heightened intuition serves as a navigation tool, guiding individuals toward lucrative opportunities. However, relying solely on intuition without a rational assessment of risks and opportunities can lead to imprudent financial decisions. 4. Feeling abundant regardless of current circumstances *. A key tenet of the philosophy is the idea that feeling abundant, even in the absence of tangible wealth, attracts prosperity. While cultivating a sense of abundance can positively impact one's mindset and resilience, critics argue that it may oversimplify the complex interplay of external factors that influence an individual's financial situation. 5. Unexpected opportunities *. The occurrence of unexpected opportunities is often heralded as a sign that money is on its way. This may manifest as a sudden job offer, a lucrative business proposition, or an unexpected windfall. However, a more pragmatic view suggests that opportunities arise from a combination of preparation, networking, and timing rather than a cosmic guarantee of financial success. 6. Increased financial literacy *. Proponents of the philosophy assert that an individual's interest and engagement in financial literacy are indicative of impending financial success. This sign underscores the importance of education and empowerment in navigating the complexities of personal finance. However, critics argue that financial literacy alone does not guarantee financial success and must be coupled with practical application and adaptability. 7. Aligning actions with goals *. Advocates emphasize the importance of aligning one's actions with financial goals as a precursor to success. This involves setting clear objectives, creating a strategic plan, and taking intentional steps toward financial well-being. Skeptics caution that external factors such as economic downturns or unforeseen challenges can disrupt even the most well-thought-out plans. 8. Decreased resistance to receiving *. The concept of openness and receptivity to receiving financial abundance is a recurrent theme in the philosophy. Overcoming self-imposed limitations and allowing oneself to receive is considered pivotal. Critics argue that systemic barriers and societal inequalities can present real challenges, and individual readiness may not be the sole determinant of financial outcomes. 9. Gratitude for current finances *. Expressing gratitude for one's current financial situation, regardless of its magnitude, is touted as a sign that money is on its way. Gratitude practices are associated with mindfulness and positive psychology, contributing to overall well-being. However, critics caution against oversimplifying the correlation between gratitude and financial outcomes. 10. Increased generosity *. The act of giving and generosity is considered a sign of abundance, with the belief that what one gives returns in greater measure. While generosity is commendable and aligns with certain philosophical perspectives, critics argue that financial success is not solely contingent on one's giving habits. 11. Heightened creativity *. A surge in creativity is often linked to the impending arrival of financial abundance. The idea suggests that creative energy aligns with the universal flow of abundance. Critics contend that creativity, while valuable, may not be a direct and exclusive precursor to financial success. In conclusion, the concept of 11 signs money is coming your way encapsulates a blend of positive psychology, metaphysical beliefs, and principles of manifestation. While some individuals find inspiration and motivation in these signs, it is essential to approach such concepts with a balanced and critical perspective. Financial success is a nuanced and multifaceted journey influenced by a myriad of internal and external factors. It is crucial to recognize that personal agency, mindset, and preparedness play significant roles in financial well-being. However, attributing financial outcomes solely to metaphysical signs may oversimplify the complexities of economic realities, systemic influences, and unforeseen challenges. In navigating the waves of financial abundance, a holistic approach that combines self-awareness, strategic planning, adaptability, and a nuanced understanding of the broader socio-economic landscape is essential for sustainable and meaningful prosperity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.